Hi, my name is Yusof. I signed up some courses module under WSQ Certificate in Generic Manufacturing Skills. After my son Muhammad Adeli told me how interesting the classes were and conducted by very experienced and qualified trainers from SIMM, and that this had benefited him greatly in his job. I was a production supervisor while attending these weekend classes, and I have since attained a new and higher portfolio as an assistant manager in a coating company for oil and gases. Till today, I still find it very useful and have put it into practice from warehousing, quality, teamwork, safety, and on-time delivery schedule during the course of my work. In the near future, I will also recommend and enroll my colleagues into these courses. Thank you, WDA and SIMM.